Hello guys, good morning. Today we are on the road.
Today is today.
Leo tumeamua. Even if these people are protesting,
Oh my God.
we are going.
Hiyo mdomo ni mbaya. Tutaongea tukirudi.
Tunaenda, mwambie tunaenda. Guys, I'm doing this introduction for the 2 YouTube channels. Please subscribe, watch the video to the end. Today we are going somewhere. Let me show you around there. Yes. So we are a full family.
Family mwenyewe. Family itself.
Yes. So we are rushing to the train station. And then from there, stay tuned. Watch this video to the end. No. I don't know now to scan the ticket. So let's go.
Us will be behind you.
Let's go. We have even it is not a physical ticket. It is online ticket which we are having. Yeah. So guys,
We are anxious.
we are anxious, but kindly watch this video to the end so that you can know where we are going.
Yes. What's cooking?
Give it a like.
Something cooking. You look.
Yeah, something. So don't forget to tell us what you think about this video in the comment section.
Even the baby is wondering.
Look at the baby vile amefarisha kofia vibaya.
Can say for her. I think
Hapa nyuma ifute.
I don't know. Okay, oops.
Weka tu vidole kwa macho.
I think it's gonna rain first.
Achana na. Our outfit of the day.
Check.
Look check.
Who nailed it?
Cooking looks. I don't know if you can see me. And by the way, it is my first day ever to wear a short.
Are you sure?
When I'm going somewhere. I've never. I can't remember. But then I used to wear a short when I was going to play football. I don't know. When was the last time you wore a short? For men, Yes. Oh. So guys, this is the train station. Let's go in and we meet after.
Which one do you want to take?
I don't know. Yeah,
I like how it's like. I don't know.
let's go.
But it's for a wheelchair. But I like the environment here. So our train is.
Let me give you a hint. Maybe you can guess where we are going. Yeah, let's see. This is the route we are taking. Yeah, guys, so welcome again to this YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, please do so. I don't know what you're waiting. Yeah.
The wheelchair. If you want to see if it will fit on.
Look.
So we are boarding the train at 12:04.
Yes, we are boarding the train at 12:04 and then we take the next 2 hours. Is it 2 hours?
Yeah, but you're going to change
You're going to change the,
train.
it's called a changeover. It's our first experience. No. Charging, I think something. Lighting system maybe. Not
At
sure.
night?
So So guys, it is my first time ever to board a train. So let's go and see. Let's go. Guys, we are in this train station. This is a small train station, you can see. So we are waiting for the train. It is coming at 12:04 and it is 11:50.
Is it?
Yeah.
So we have 14 minutes.
14 minutes to
Due
go.
to a track circuit failure between Weybridge and Halton on Thames, trains have to run at reduced speed on some lines towards Surbiton. Train services running to and from these stations may be delayed or revised. Disruption is expected until 2 p.m. today. For further information or onward travel advice, please speak to a member of staff, use a station help point or visit southwesternrailway.com/disruption. We are very sorry for any delay that this may cause to your journey.
There is the train.
The train is on time. So guys, look at this train. First impression. Look at the seats. What do you think, guys? Are they clean? Look. And this is how the train looks like. So guys, let's wait for the train to start and then we'll continue with the journey. Yes. What's your take? Did you expect this? Did you? You should watch it. Menza.
Side by side. It's a happy day.
Bye.
Kofia yako iko na wrinkles nyuma.
Nini?
Cleaning in progress.
Testing. What's up? Look at Imani. He has a lot of food in the mouth.
Is it?
I don't know what he is.
Ile matunda?
Yes, in the maybe.
If you see something that doesn't look right,
Okay.
speak to staff or text the British Transport Police on 61016.
So this is where we are seated.
See it, say
Where
it,
you have a
sort it.
So we must sit together. Yes, we are a family.
Yes, we are a family. Mommy, dad, and Gav. Children. No worries.
Imani. So we are waiting for the train to start in a few minutes. But we are told that there might be delays. No. He has something on the mouth. In the mouth. He's wondering where am I?
Where are we?
Where am I?
Where are we? We are in the house.
So
You don't like it?
our bags are there.
You don't like it?
So guys, give the video a like, subscribe, and let's wait. Let's meet on in the next. So our journey started officially in a train. So that is us. The lady is waiting already. Yeah, so you can see around there. So guys, stay tuned. We hope to show you the next destination. Yeah guys, we are at station number 3 from where we started. So our journey continues, guys. So far so good. Some of us, we are hearing the zungu-zungus. Zungu in English? I don't know. Distance. No, I don't know. Huh? Look at the views. So guys, keep on enjoying. And one thing I'm surprised that this train just moves on itself. Huh? There's no driver. Is it a driver or pilot? Or captain? I don't know. The driver of a train, how do we call that person, guys? Please tell me in the comment section. Because me, I know the driver, I know the pilot, I know the captain. For vehicles, airplanes, and a ship. Yeah. So let's keep going. I guess Sapiton, eh? Malden. It's Malden. You can see how people are waiting for. Yeah. Zone 4, guys. Yeah. So this is Wimbledon. You can see it's one of the biggest train stations. Several of them. Hey. Honestly, I see other trains going at a very high speed, but ours is going like a chameleon. So welcome to Wimbledon. So the next station is, we shall reach there and I will inform you guys. So let's go. how big it is. You can see another train going. Going that direction. I think the tunaenda direction, the speed is low. You can see weight loss. So that's how the train looks like. Yeah. Is it possible? Another station, But now I see here we have several of them. Look, taking different directions, Southwestern Railway. So Southwestern, they are on this side. Maybe the other side is something else. Guys, what do you think about this? When I was in Kenya, I had never used that train, and I don't know if I'm going to use one. Maybe SGR. Yeah, I'll use SGR to Mombasa. Yeah. This Wimbledon train called the Port. We are almost in Wimbledon. Oh, we are in Wimbledon already. Look at that one, the speed. Guys, hey, it's long. Hey. My God. I wish we could use that one, which is going at a higher speed. Look at the apartments. Beautiful guys. Yeah. So we are off from Clapham Junction. We are going to Vauxhall. It looks big, So we started from a small to big. Let's enjoy the experience. Yeah. Yes, this is London now, guys. Look at the buildings. Tall, beautiful buildings. Look like this one. Look at this. Which shape is this? Guys, this where you say Maisha London, It's tall, guys. So this is Vauxhall train station. So guys, we are to our next train station. We are going to alight at London Waterloo, and then we change to another train as we head to our destination. So this is Vauxhall, which is around 3 minutes to London Waterloo. So guys, give the video a like, and remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Beautiful building. This now you see the difference between Africa and Europe. So let's go to London Waterloo, guys. Look at that Is it called the London Eye? Yeah. This thing you see here. This round ring. Yeah. It gives you the sight of the entire London. Yeah. So I think next time we will go there and have a walk, explore together. But for today, let's go to Harvard. Yes.
11. What is it? 7.
Have a great day. Cheers.
10. Hola, 10. Hola, 10. Then, so you have, this is 11. Northern and Waterloo City lines. No, 11 but where? Amesema from 11. Correct? 15 there, 17, 18 should be the other side. Yeah.
Please buy a ticket before getting on the train. Otherwise, you may have to pay.
This fucking place is big.
So guys, we are going to, is it called platform or something like that? 18. Yeah. That's big, eh? So guys, when you want to go out, you scan your cards. So where? Okay. Look at her.
I'm there.
And look at us. Yeah. So let's go, guys, to Harvard. It is called Harvard. That's where we are going. And it is Portsmouth. Yes. 18 is there.
That's on the exit. Hello. The one on the phone. Hello.
Yes. 18 is here now. Yeah? Yes, guys. So let's go into the train and then we meet there. So guys, we are in the train now. Look, he's looking at me. But this train looks it's like an aeroplane. Maybe you can see at the chairs. You can see. Yeah. So nice. So guys, now
What do you mean in a reflect?
So that is where we are. You can see the sun. You can see the phone behind you. I can see it here.
The weather is 50-50.
The weather looks like it is might rain any time. And also we can see the sun. It's a hill, right?
It looks like no, we are
in a tunnel.
in a tunnel. It's dark.
That's right.
That's
why you see
and
us.
me. Yeah, we were in a tunnel, guys. We had to turn the oops.
Guys, it's cold. The weather changed abruptly. For journey information, download our app. So it's Western Freeway Park. So guys, we are almost there. I think we are lighting the next station. And then from there we go.
We meet.
We go.
There's another train just passing. Are you excited?
I'm excited.
How's the experience so far? You almost missed the other train.
Which train? No. We were on time.
Yeah, we tried.
At least we know now to keep time. Wake up early. And then we do our thing.
Are you anxious?
No, I'm not. I'm just waiting to have the experience on the other side.
Yep. We don't know what is awaiting for us.
No, we are used to London. Now we are out.
I tell you, we are countryside.
Out countryside.
Yeah.
And I've even seen electricity with the poles. And you can see farm, a big farm for rice. It has been harvested.
I think so.
Yeah.
Is it rice or wheat?
It's rice. If we get rice from wheat, then it is wheat.
Who was your teacher?
So what do you think? Is it rice or wheat?
Either. It cannot be wheat from rice. Have you seen? No, they're not donkeys, horses.
Where are they?
I hope they will be visible. I turn the
Blue.
camera.
Why is it blue? Because of the light.
I don't know. Reflection?
Because of the t-shirt I'm wearing.
Yeah, even mine is turning
Yellow.
Are we glowing?
Glowing, guys.
It wasn't Nini. Okay.
Horses. I see horses. These are, I don't know, for those who study geography, those horses which survive. Now you can see the farm very well. It's been harvested. I wondered how it grows with these big farms.
They are really big.
It's like we are in Narok now. Narok to Kisii, home. Welcome home. You can see only horses, Hey. Oh, they are bunnies. And they have clothes, You see that?
No. I think the train is too fast.
The train is really going.
Yeah. Come.
Yeah, guys. So let's wait and meet in the next station.
Ciao.